Ignorance is bliss.
Hey guys, welcome to Master V and Sons channel. On today's video, we're going to be installing some LED headlights on my mk6 Golf base model. We're going to be making the look a little bit more sportier, so stay tuned for our more videos about the Golf. Alright, so the way we're going to install this is we're going to pop the bonnet. We're gonna be changing these out. So the way we're gonna do this process is we're gonna take off the 4 bolts on the grill, and then we're gonna remove the bumper on both sides, which you gotta kind of go from the side of both rims, or both of the tires. You're gonna have to turn the wheel for it, and then it should be just as easy just to remove the bolts from the headlights and pop them all out. So the bulbs that we're using for my specific heart uses H7, so we ended up picking up some H7 white lights, and I just removed the bulb. These are our new ones, so I unclipped the bulbs, and this is exactly where you put the new ones. And then it came with the clip that you could take off the original headlights that were already in here, and then you just plug it in, and that's it. So we're gonna connect both sides. I mean, it's kind of hard not to put it in incorrectly, but into the same harness that was already connected straight to the headlights, the previous ones. And then just wait for the click. There you go. And then this part would go into the headlights, which we're gonna put from under. And this part we're gonna plug right into the part of the headlight. And that's it. Alright, so we just finished installing our new headlights. Recommendation, definitely check them out before you just put all the bumper back on and everything like that. Definitely saves you. So yeah, so we checked ours is good. Now it's time to put the bumper on and the grill. So get a quick montage of that, so let's go. Alright, so now it's been a few days since we've installed it. It's a different day, it's a lot brighter, of course. We got into the night kind of installing it, just trying to make the videos and everything like that. Now we're just going to give you guys just a little bit of a review of these headlights and I guess the issues that we were dealing with, and just our overall review on what we think of them. So these headlights, they do look pretty cool. Apart from it being pretty cool, we are kind of having a little bit of issues of, even after we installed them in the actual spot on each side, it looks like it's just aiming down the light itself. Even with the new bright bulbs, that was the whole point of switching it out, is to get a bright bulb. They're just a white light in general, just so it's not like a yellow light and you can't see anything in the distance like my new car. But with this one, the only problem is it's aiming down, and we try to find little tweaks to see if we can tweak it to adjust it. and we weren't able to find anything, and all it does is you can only lower it, so it's actually reached the maximum on where you can raise it up. So the thing is, that's the thing about these headlights. The thing about getting aftermarket parts is you can't always expect the best, of course, out of it. So with these headlights, we're gonna see if we can maybe find any more videos or anything, or just see what we can do with these. Maybe if there's something we can just maybe prop it up, or even just to lift it up. That's probably going to be our best bet to at least fix this problem. Yeah, so that's just our honest review. It's a cool product. It looks good. We just got some fog lights in it as well, so you guys are going to see that in a second, a little montage. But yeah, so the thing is, they do look cool. I don't want to say they're not a good buy, but not I guess there's different versions out there, so just be careful and just check out which one you're looking at. But yeah, so that's the one. Based off the ones we got, they're I wish they fit a little bit better. They fit, but they don't work as well. So yeah, so that's our review, and hope you guys like the montage in the back. Alright, so we're back from the montage. This is the end of the video. I just wanted to say thank you all for watching it to the end. If you did, please like and subscribe. If you guys have any more questions about our process through the lights, or if we figured out anything else, if you want, just contact us after. Leave a comment in the comment section, and yeah, we'll catch you guys later on the next video. See ya. Bye.